Been a while since I did anything. My back ain't been the greatest, but I came and dropped off my track hoe a couple weeks ago. It snowed on top of it since, but now I came and dropped off my track loader. Been doing a bunch of work to it. I had to replace the 4 main hydraulic hoses that go from the hydrostatic pumps to the drive motors because a couple of them started leaking since I was already there. And I also put a diesel heater on it. A diesel air heater, and it's gonna blow hot air on the hydrostatic pumps. And then I hooked up an EGR cooler off my Duramax to heat up the coolant. But it's November, running out of time to do a good job for clearing, so I don't know if you can see, but down there, other side of those bushes, looks like a black lump. That is what I'm going to do. This guy had some bush cleared last winter, and he wants it all cleaned up and buried, so got the track hoe and the track loader. I'll push it all up into a pile with the track loader, dig a hole with the excavator, push it all in, bury it, see how this goes. So this is what's left after they've burnt the bush piles, the burn piles. And you can see they're quite like short and fairly wide. They weren't stacked up very high at all. And there's quite a bit of stuff that looks like it could be burnt again. So I'll probably stack it all up again. And then the ground's not frozen, so I'll be able to dig a hole, throw it all in. Maybe I'll see if I can throw it all in, they can start it on fire again and burn it, and I'll come back and bury it.